What's up, everybody? Matt here, Hollywood's Garage. Today we're going to be unboxing the On3 Performance full turbo kit for a 67 to 69 Camaro with an LS1. If you look in the background, yeah, that's not a Camaro. It's a Pontiac Ventura 73. But they share the same front subframe. Everything from the firewall up to the rad support is the same on these X-body cars as the first gen Camaro. The only difference is going to be, everything should bolt right up. The only difference is going to be the cold side for the intercooler and whatnot. So obviously I'm going to do some fab work there, but that's easy, right? That's just some piping, some silicone hoses, etc., some mounting, no big deal. The hot side's the big one, and that's what I really wanted to go through here. So I got 4 boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4, for the full kit. To go on a little bit of a backstory on this, I ordered this kit a year ago. Actually, I'll give you the exact date. May 1st, 2023, I put in the order. I just received this kit on Thursday last week, which is April 18th is when I got it. 19th, actually, yesterday, on Friday, sorry. April 19th, 2024 is when I received it. So pretty much just over a year. They were on backorder. To be fair, they were sold out. And they had a posting out saying if they can get 15 to 25 orders kind of made, that they'll remake the kit for duration. So I put an order in, and I was told, should I just order it now or should I wait? Like, if you order it now, you're guaranteed a kit. So ordered it. I only bugged them about once a month, once every 2 months. But like, hey, any update? How's it going? And finally, he was like, I haven't heard nothing yet. I haven't heard nothing from the supplier. I think they ended up getting their kit made, the hot side, from outside party source, but we'll go through all that quality of the kit and whatnot, and the welds and the thickness of steel and whatnot. So finally they got it, the kit made. I was told from March to June, I was told the kit would be ready. So actually, you know what? Came pretty quick, a month into that, I guess, April. Came from Ohio, I think, On3 Performance is from. Shipping was quick, FedEx, 4 days, super quick. Okay, well, let's go through some boxes here. The first box we're gonna go through is gonna be the hot side, the headers and the crossover. I've already opened it, as you can see, because I was worried about, this is the only box that was damaged. So this corner right here was kind of ripped open and whatnot. And actually how it was sitting was this flange was like this underneath. Like kind of poking through a little bit. So I wanted to open it to make sure that that flange was good and square. Which it is, no dings. You can see the welds are really well done, really good. There's no issues with welds. Let's just get some better lighting in there. You can see it's fully welded in the 4 tubes connect. The flanges are super thick. What's that, half an inch, over half an inch of steel there. I haven't checked to see if it's square as far as like flush down, but we'll see how that goes. A little bit of rust or dirt on that flange there, but obviously we'll clean that all up when we go to mount it. So that one looks really good. I haven't decided if it's a driver or passenger yet. Here's the crossover. You got your expansion joint there. Again, the V-bands look really square. They look good. Okay, you have an O2 source bung there. What else we got here? And it's packaged fairly well, as you can see. Oh, here's the bolt kit and gaskets. Aha, good. I was wondering if this came with those. They're not the MLS style. They could have upgraded, to be honest, and got you MLS gaskets. I may still upgrade and do that, but for testing purposes. And obviously you got your T4 flange gasket there too. Here we go, you got all your bolts. And then here's gonna be, this will be the driver side header. Let me get it unwrapped for you, and then we'll take a look at it. Here we go, out of the box. It was bagged very well. They had it tucked in, so the bag kept a good seal on it. But again, all the welds, they look very good. They weld inside, like a smooth transition. And obviously the weld outside. Looks like a good kit. Now they're O2 bung, so this would be, like I said, your passenger side header, where your turbo mounts off of here. We'll look inside there. Doesn't look too bad for welds. And then you got your wastegate here placement, which is good spot, right? You got your crossover here connecting from your driver's side to your passenger side. So obviously it's going to be favoring more of your driver or your passenger side because it's closer. But I mean, they had good success with the kit. They made 525 horse, I think, with a stock LS1, 5.3, not LS1, sorry, a 5.3. So it should do well. Looks like a good kit. Lots of room to grow, I'm sure. Like, I'm sure it's 1,000 horsepower hot side. There, that box has gone through. Bit of a mess to clean up here. We'll go through the second box. Box on box. So this will be the, looks like the exhaust side. Because it'll have a 3 inch to a 3.5 downpipe off the turbo going underneath the car. I've yet to figure out what these small ones are. Two of them. I'm assuming that's a coolant hose, thinner, lighter, some more exhaust. So I think this goes from a 3-inch down to a dual 3-inch under the car. I think is what they said. So we'll see how that all mocks up. Right now I don't have dual 3 out the back. It's like a dual 2.25. So we'll have to get that all fabbed up. But yeah, piping looks all good. We'll have to figure this out. This could be, I don't know, that is weird. If you guys know what that is, let me know in the comments. I mean, I'll figure it out when I go to mount it, right? Oh, then you got a bushing for, oh, that's what that exhaust, maybe exhaust hanger? There's a bracket. Anyway, that's what that is. And again, that's all nice thick steel. We'll go through this box now, smaller one. This is probably gonna be, so this will be all your cold side piping. There's gonna be your blow off valve there. So again, this might not be a direct fit for a 3rd gen Nova Ventura Omega car, but it'll get us in the ballpark. Here's the list of everything that they send with pricing. So the kit was $2,800 with shipping for me. American, so Canadian, that's probably what, $4,500. Yeah, 40, 42 or something. But you can see there, if you need to see it better, just pause it. But it comes with your wastegates and it's a full kit. So this is going to be the box where it has everything else in it: the turbo, your wastegates, and lots of packing peanuts. Here's the spoolie boy here. So when they first made the kit, they put a small turbo on it, but they upgraded it to a, I think it's a, here's the stats, 7870, what's this, 80 AR. I think it's a 7873 turbo. Typical turbo. You got a hole in this side here. You know, you just kind of nothing nice. I'm sure that's fine. Well, actually, we'll open this up. We'll take a leak. See here. Here we are opened up. This is a better gasket for your T4 flange, the MLS, or even just single steel. You got your 2 gaskets for your drain and your feed. And then a piece of resistance. There it is there. The On3 Performance logo on the front. Spools, or spins, obviously it's going to spin good. It's brand new. At least one would hope, right? It does come right from China, I'm sure. I don't know if this will come clocked already to fit the, I don't know if this will come clocked or not to fit the car. Like, I might have to clock it. Obviously follow along for all that. See how that does. There's all the model number and whatnot. 7875, that's what it is. So it should be a good turbo for this 6 liter I have. Just a 6 liter. LQ4 with a sloppy stage 2 cam, which is Trick Flow's version, and I have 799 heads. So with the compression, I also have the 9-layer head gaskets. So we should be, like any other build, we should be fine. 4L80E transmission with a 3600 stall single disc Circle D converter. So it should hook up good. Right now in the rear I'm running 410 gears, but I might go to like a 327. I had 308s in it before. Maybe I'll throw those back in, but there's that. What else we got in here? I was gonna clean up all these packing peanuts, but we have the silicone kit. Glad it's black. This is gonna be a blow-off valve, a 50 mil. There's that in the box there. Again, black. That's how I like it. What else? This would be a wastegate. Looks like a 44 mil, just going by the part number. This will probably be the intercooler. What do we got here? It's in a shipment box. A few guest clamps. I'm assuming V-bands too. Oh, there's your oil drain and oil feed kit down there in the bottom. I guess the rubber hose will be the drain. Another little box here. What's this? Oh, exhaust clamp. So I'm assuming these are going to be what the intercooler brackets hold off of. And what else we got? Here's your manual boost controller. Let's just turn that to plus right away. I think the wastegate comes with a 7-pound spring already installed. And that was that horsepower he gave you, that 525, I think was on there 7 pounds. So let's see. Oh, it even comes with the, here we go, yeah. For the side of the oil pan and a drain. I'm running the Holley 302-3 pan, so which has that thong on the side. So I can just tap into that for the drain. It'll be like a less than a 12-inch, probably like a 12-inch drain line, which would be good. I'll have to get my kid in here to clean all this up now. Let me get this opened up and we'll take a look. Well, my best guess is intercooler, since that's what I'm missing so far. Yep, I guess I had a good guess because it was the last thing. There's a hole in the box over here. That was already punctured. Gee, a thick boy. Looks like a good cooler. There's going to be one of the mountain brackets. Let's go see if it fits behind my my rad. Not behind the rad, I meant behind the grill. I already see issues though, so let's see how thick it is. It is just over 3.5 inches. Then if you look down here, I might have to move that hood support, bring it forward, or just cut it so, I'll have to take this right off probably in this. Just cut it right up top there, just get rid of this whole thing, and maybe come down with a 90. But, because right now, well, if I got rid of my trans cooler and moved it, I would have room to fit behind there, but not with this protruding. So that's going to take some fabbing, figuring out. That's a future me issue. By future me, I mean, I don't know, a couple weeks. But that's the kit so far, guys. Like I said, I'm not going to open up the blow-off valve or wastegate. I mean, that's pretty self-explanatory. On3 is kind of your basic, from what I was told, like your basic kit to get into a turbo. It will come with everything, as you see. Should be all bolt in. Again, I'm retrofitting into a bit of a different car, but it should still work. But follow along, because there's no videos on this kit. At least I couldn't find any on YouTube. So live and learn from my mistakes or my research, I guess. And watch me just have some fails, some wins. I don't know. It could be fun. It could be funny. Yeah, probably not, actually. It'll probably be pretty annoying. Just kidding. So yeah, follow along. Thanks for watching, guys. Watch the follow the build series on it. I'm hoping to have it on the road. I still have to get the engine finished. So there's my old engine. I have a video on of why I have an old engine. And my new engine's in there. Still have to finish getting that in there, getting it primed, and then I can start putting the turbo kit on. So I don't have lots. I could probably have it on the road middle of May, so 2-3 weeks. Obviously life gets in the way. I do have a son, so family time is very important. Same with the wife, obviously. So I gotta juggle. You guys know how it is with these builds, but thanks for following. Catch you in the next one.